Welcome back everyone, and if you're new here, a very warm welcome to you. Today I'll be showing you one of the most comforting breakfast bowls of porridge I ever had. It is also a little tribute to my Sri Lankan and Indian viewers. This curry leaf porridge is comfort food from across and from generations. Curry leaves, coconut milk, and rice, these three ingredients have shaped so many kitchens. Let's turn this into the silkiest porridge. It reminds me that simple ingredients can have big flavor that feels like home. So let's cook. I'm using 1 cup of rice. Begin by washing it 3 or 4 times until the water is quite clear. Add a pinch of salt and place it on the cooker, medium to high heat, and bring to a boil. I'm using 1.5 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. Keep in mind to cook the rice softer than usual. Fresh coconut is always best, but if unavailable, you can buy store-bought frozen grated coconut. So if you don't have fresh, don't let that stop you from enjoying this wonderful dish. 3 to 4 cups of curry leaves. You'll also need some seasoning like salt and pepper. Half a teaspoon of chopped ginger and half a teaspoon of chopped garlic. That will add more flavor and savory notes to the dish. Using a blender or food processor, add about a good handful of curry leaves and half of the scraped coconut, adding a little water to help with the grinding or blending process. At this point, it's good. Let's pour it into a sieve, let it drain, and then we'll continue by squeezing out the liquid, and by hand is the most suitable and I feel best way to extract the liquid. Okay, while you watch how this is done, I'll just briefly explain some of the top benefits of curry leaves. Firstly, curry leaves can support smoother digestion and calm the stomach and helps to reduce bloating, while it is also rich in antioxidants that protect the body from inflammation and everyday stress. What I did was blend the other portion that I had, and I'll just continue doing this as we discuss the benefits of curry leaves. Quick health disclaimer: this video is for cooking and educational purposes only. I'm not a medical professional. Please do your own research and consult a qualified health expert if you have specific conditions or dietary needs. Further research shows support of healthy hair and skin. Whoa, I might need this for my hair. Evidence shows that it can help with control of blood sugar, helps to lower cholesterol levels, and supports overall heart function. Great for maintaining energy levels, which means it boosts iron and folic acid, and is a natural detox support. The extraction process is now complete. Let's take a look at our rice. The rice is softer than usual or slightly overcooked, which is perfect for this type of porridge. I would like to mention there's also healthier versions of rice, like red rice, that works wonderfully in such a herbal porridge. For generations, Sri Lankans have prepared herbal porridges called kola kenda, using up to 7 types of different herbal leafy greens. Kola kenda was traditionally served at dawn to farmers before they went to the fields. It was simple but powerful. Warm rice broth, fresh herbs ground with coconut, and a little salt. In Ayurveda and local healing traditions, Gotukola and curry leaves are believed to support memory, digestion, and overall vitality. So the porridge became both breakfast and natural medicine. In older times, families would pick the greens from their home gardens, grind them by hand or on a stone, and simmer them slowly with cooked rice. Over time, every region and every grandmother developed their own versions. Today it remains a nostalgic comfort food, symbolizing Sri Lanka's blend of nourishment, herbal wisdom, and humble simplicity. Isn't it amazing what we can learn from other cultures and people around the world? This dish is not to be overly seasoned, but it requires salt to bring out the flavor. Serving up this porridge reminds me to speak about the jaggery, which some versions are served with. This is unrefined sugar made from palm sap or cane juice. It has a smoky sweetness used in Sri Lankan and Indian cooking for balance and natural flavor. The porridge itself is savory and herbal, but a small piece of jaggery is often served on the side. You take a sip of warm porridge, then a nibble of jaggery. The sweetness balances the slightly bitter earthy greens. The sweet and herbal combo is very old school Sri Lankan village style. I'm very happy to bring you this recipe. Don't miss the next video where I have another interesting, simple and delicious breakfast item for you. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and drop a comment. Thanks for watching.